Hi folks and welcome to Masterclass. I want to talk about gas bottles. It can be a contentious issue with people complaining that they've got gas bottles and the holders on their trailers are the wrong size. In actual fact, it is highly likely that the gas bottle you've sourced is in fact the wrong size. With all the swap and exchange bottles going on at service stations, etc., various sizes have creeped into the market. The latest is actually an 8.5 kilo bottle, where this one here in front of me is a genuine 9 kilo gas bottle from Gasmate. It's the same size as the original Primus bottles that all the caravan and camper manufacturers designed their gas bottle holders around. It was around for years, it was a standard size, everyone had one, there was no problem. Now all these others have creeped into the market and there are various sizes, the diameters are different, the heights are different, and it's created a lot of confusion. The diameter of this bottle is just on 310 millimeters. So from here to here, 310 millimeters. And this will fit the standard 9 kilo bottle holders on just about any brand of caravan or camper. Then you have the 4.5 kilo bottles. They were a standard size now. All these higher swap and go type things, the bottle sizes have changed again. Hence, more confusion about the right size bottles. So if you stick with a standardized Gasmate or Primus bottle, the chances are you'll have no problem at all. When you've got the right size bottles, hang on to them. Don't take them in and swap them. Hang on to them, get them refilled. Getting them refilled is actually a lot more economical and you get more gas in them than if you do the swap thing. You end up with an 8.5 kilo bottle instead of the correct 9 kilo bottle. Something else you need to remember is these guys have a use by date. They have a 10-year lifespan and the date will be stamped on the bottle. If your bottle is out of date, they will refuse to refill it. It's unsafe, it needs to go to the recyclers, your local exchange, where they get rid of those sort of things. So don't use a bottle if it's out of date. It's illegal to fill. So there you have it, folks. I hope that clears up the dilemma about gas bottle sizes, the holder sizes, and the confusion surrounding them. For more great tips like this, go to our YouTube channel and check out the Masterclass series and follow us on Facebook and see each one as we produce it.